Hey, so it's Adam Bierman, and this is my final project for CS 108. It's an NBA statistics website, and the main page of this website is displaying all the teams. First, you have an alphabetical listing, you have the conference listing, and then you have the divisions in each conference. So the first thing I'll show you is the NBA schedule, and it brings you to a page with the full NBA schedule. And then I'll go back to the main page. That button was right here. And now I'll show you a team. The first team I'll show you is my favorite team, which is the Celtics. So it has their logo in the back and a little table that gives you a little description, their roster, creating and adding a player, and it'll add it to this roster. I already created myself. I'll show you an example of creating someone else in a little bit, and then it shows you just the Celtics schedule, whether they're home or away. And so if you check here, their wins and losses is 11-8. I'll go to another team, the Hawks, 11-7. I'll go show you the Spurs. They're 11-3. So the Celtics have a game against the Spurs December 5th that already happened, but I'll update it now. So if I add 1 to the visitor points, which are the Celtics, I'll update it. And you can see now that the Celtics have 12 wins and 8 losses, and the Spurs have now 11 wins and 4 losses. So I'll go back to the main page, and I'll show you what happens when you click on a player. So if you click on a player, you see their total stats, and then from their total stats, you get the per game stats. So I could update this. So if he played 17 games, then obviously his stats are going to be lowered. So if I update stats, then his minutes go down. All of these different stats go down. So I'll bring it back down to 16, update it, and I'll also show you if he attempted, instead of 91, let's say 112 threes, then you'll see that the 3-point percentage right here will drop a lot. So you can do that with all these stats. So I'm going to return to the main page, go back to the Celtics, and now I'm going to show you the add a player. So I will add my brother this time. I'll have him one more number than me. Zach Bierman, shooting guard. His height is 74 inches. His weight is 180, let's say. His birthday is March 4th. His experience is not a rookie. I'll bring it down. Put him up to second year. So he's already had 1 year in the league. And he went to Boston University, and he also took this class. So I'll add the player, and then you see his information shows up, and if I click on him, he'll have no stats, but I could also update it like I showed you before. So that is pretty much my website. I had a great time working on this, and hopefully you enjoyed it. Thank you.